If you are like most people, you probably think of Microsoft as a company that makes software for PCs or Xbox. Well, you might be surprised to know that the tech giant is also betting big on one of the most exciting and revolutionary technologies of our time. With a massive investment of billions of dollars, Microsoft is pouring its resources into one of the most sought-after companies today. In this video, we'll explore Microsoft's groundbreaking investment and what it means for the tech industry as a whole. Microsoft is partnering with OpenAI, a cutting-edge AI research and deployment company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. They started their partnership in 2019 with a $1 billion investment. Since then, they have made another investment in 2021, and now this much larger one in 2023, which the New York Times disclosed to be a whopping $10 billion. This only demonstrates the potential Microsoft sees for this technology, and its desire to be a key player in its development and deployment. This investment sees OpenAI running and powering its technology through Microsoft's Azure cloud computing platform, which allows it to scale and make it available to developers and companies looking to use AI in their services. It is a win-win situation for both companies. OpenAI gets a needed cash infusion, which is key for a company with a lot of potentials but not much to show in terms of monetization. At the same time, Microsoft can offer something to its cloud customers that its competitors such as Google and Amazon can't yet match, which is access to one of the most advanced and buzzworthy AI technologies available today. One of the most exciting things about this partnership is the potential for everyday people to start interacting with AI in new and exciting ways. For example, OpenAI's ChatGPT technology can generate text that sounds like it was written by a human, making it possible for us to communicate with machines in a way that it feels more natural. It can provide customer service, answer questions, and even engage in small talk with users. In the future, it could be used to create virtual assistants that are even more intelligent and responsive than those we currently have. But it's not just text. OpenAI's DALL-E 2 can create incredibly detailed and realistic images from textual descriptions. It can generate images that go beyond what is possible with traditional image generation techniques. For example, it can produce images that combine multiple concepts or elements in unexpected ways, thus creating surreal and imaginative imagery that would be difficult or impossible for a human artist to envision and create on their own. This opens up new possibilities for designers and artists to quickly generate a wide range of creative ideas that they can use as inspiration or incorporate into their work. It can also be used in a variety of other fields, such as product design, architecture, and even scientific research, where visual representations of complex concepts can be helpful for communicating ideas and data. Now, what does this mean for us as consumers? Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella said, "AI is the next major wave of computing, and the company plans to focus on bringing AI tools to the market. Our partnership will help make this possible with the developers and organizations across industries will be having access to the best AI infrastructures, models, and tool chains." OpenAI CEO Sam Altman also added in a press release, "The past 3 years of our partnership have been great. Microsoft shares our values and we are excited to continue our independent research and work towards creating advanced AI that benefits everyone." In a recent press event, Microsoft announced its long-rumored integration of OpenAI's GPT-4 model into Bing, providing a ChatGPT-like experience within the search engine. It is now possible to generate full sentences in response to search queries, rather than just displaying a list of links. It will be launched together with the newest version of Edge browser having 2 AI features, Chat and Compose, embedded in it. Chat allows users to summarize web pages or documents and ask questions about their contents, while Compose acts as a writing assistant, helping to generate text for anything from emails to social media posts, based on a few initial prompts. OpenAI's stated mission is to build artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a machine that can do anything the human brain can do. While this is a lofty goal that researchers are still working towards, systems like ChatGPT are seen as a path to achieving it. As research into AI continues to advance, the hope is that machines will become eventually capable of performing a variety of tasks without them explicitly programmed to do so. Beyond all the practical applications, there is something truly exciting about the possibilities of AI. It's a reminder that we're still in the early days of this technology. As we continue to explore this field, we will likely uncover new ways to leverage AI to address complex challenges and unlock new opportunities. The potential for AI to contribute to scientific discovery, medical breakthroughs, and sustainable development is just starting to be realized. It is an exciting time as the possibilities are truly endless. Microsoft's investment in OpenAI is a prime representation of its commitment to the future. It is also a clear indication of its importance to the company's growth and innovation. This move positions them to become a major player amongst its competition. For now, we can only imagine what the future holds, and this investment may very well be the beginning of a new era in human-machine interaction. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be alerted when we post new videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.